Hello students, welcome to our English class. Today we are going to learn new chapter name is An Officer and a Gentleman. Before start the lesson we will see the warm up. I am going to read, all of you have to listen carefully and put the pencil on this line, all of you, okay? Read on to know about the National Bravery Awards. Here given the information about National Bravery Awards. What is National Bravery Awards? Let us see. The National Bravery Awards are a set of awards that are given to children. That awards are given to the children, usually below the age of 16 years. Children are below the age of 16 years, those are getting National Bravery Awards for meritorious acts of bravery against all odds. Meritorious means here deserving rewards. Those are deserving rewards are doing the act of bravery. These children got the meritorious award because of their bravery act against all odds. This category of awards presented by the Prime Minister of India on Republic Day has a very interesting history. When this award has given or presented by the Prime Minister of India, and when should it give this award? On Republic Day. This award, National Bravery Award, has started by the Prime Minister of India. Let us see. On 2 October 1957, the first Prime Minister of our country, Jawaharlal Nehru, was watching a show at Ram Leela grounds. Delhi. Suddenly, a short circuit set a decorated tent on fire. When Jawaharlal Nehru was watching a show at Ram Leela grounds on 2 October 1957, at that time a short circuit set a decorated tent on fire. There had done their short circuit and set a decorated tent on fire. A 14-year-old boy, Harish Chandra Mehta, name of this boy, who was 14 years old, was serving as a scout on the ground, and he's doing his duty as a scout on the ground. He swiftly cut through the tent using his knife. He cut the tents using this knife, thus saving the lives of all the people who were trapped inside it. And he saved the life of the people who trapped inside the tent. This incident led Jawaharlal Nehru to propose the idea of honoring brave children across the country. Thus, the National Bravery Awards was established. How the National Bravery Awards established? This incident occurred. One of the scout boy who saved his name is Harish Chandra Mehta, who saved the life of people the incident happened at Ram Leela grounds. That time, our Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru has decided to give them or award them the National Bravery Award. Let us see. Now I am going to read the lesson. Before start the lesson, this is the life, this is the story or biography of life of a heroic Indian Army officer who laid down his life for our country, who served one of the heroic Indian Army officer who serving our country with the bottom of heart. This is a short biography on an Indian Army hero. His name is Vasant Colonel Vasant Venugopal. This autobiography has written by his wife Subhashini Vasant. Once again, I am going to explain here what is biography. Biography is an account of someone's life written by someone else. It is the someone is written or writing about someone's life. It's called biography. And autobiography means, and next, what is autobiography? Autobiography is an account of a person's life written by that person himself. Autobiography is written about a person's life written by the person that himself. I hope you understood biography and autobiography. Next, we are going to learn the lesson. Colonel Vasant Venugopal was born on 25 March 1967 to Prafulla and N.K. Venugopal in Bengaluru, India. Colonel Vasant Venugopal, he was born on 25 March 1967. He was the son of Prafulla and his father name is N.K. Venugopal, who is in Bengaluru from India. He was the younger of the two brothers. He was the younger one of the two brothers. His father's work required the family to travel throughout the Karnataka. His father was working and traveling throughout the Karnataka. Thus the family moved to Udupi, Shimoga and Bengaluru. His father is working, so he has to travel throughout the Karnataka. In between there he has serviced Udupi, Shimoga and Bengaluru. Colonel Vasant's school notebooks were always filled with detailed drawings of battle, tanks and uniformed soldiers. He loved reading war stories and was fascinated with armor, tanks and weaponry. Such was his reverence for the uniform that even as a child he never failed to salute a policeman or a guard on duty. That means how the Colonel Vasant, when he was a child, when he was learning at the time of school, his notebook always filled with a drawing, and he draw a battle, tanks, uniform soldier. Means he was fascinated, he was attracted toward the army officers, soldiers' life and their uniform. He loved reading war stories and was fascinated with the armor tanks. Armor tanks means which he was possessive towards the wearing coat and weaponry. He was fascinated, means he was attracted toward the armor and weaponry. Weaponry means the things used for the war. And he always reverence, means give the respect the uniform, that even as the child he never failed to salute a policeman or a guard on duty. He always salute every policeman, every who has wore the army uniform or police inspector or guard when someone is on the duty. He give the respect, he salute them. In college, he joined the National Cadet Corps. When he was studying in the college, that's why then he joined the National Cadet Corps and participated in the Indo-Canada World Youth Exchange Program in 1986 to 87. Colonel Vasant joined the Indian Military Academy in Dehradun in 1988. On 10 June 1989, he was commissioned into the Maratha Light Infantry. In a military career spanning 18 years, means when he joined the military academy after the After that, he was posting his duty many in a military career spanning 18 years. He has spent 18 years and he was serving Indian military, and he was starting his career. He served in Pathankot, Sikkim, Gandhinagar, Ranchi, Bengaluru, and various sectors of Jammu and Kashmir. When he was the Maratha Light Infantry, when he was the commission of the Maratha Light Infantry, he was started his career. That's why he was posted many sectors of the Jammu and Kashmir, such as Pathankot, Sikkim, Gandhinagar, Ranchi, and Bengaluru. I go where my men go was the motto of this brave officer. What is the motto of the Colonel Vasant? He is the Colonel Vasant Venugopal, and he said, I go where my men go. I was the motto of this brave officer. He always led from the front and would be with his troops even in the face of great dangers. Yet this daring officer was at heart a man of peace who enjoyed the simple things of life. He carved for the most mundane of activities that everyone takes for granted, ordering a pizza, eating hot chocolate, fuzz, and drinking filter coffee. He is behaving like a normal people, and he also he also asked earnestly all the routine activities, like everyone takes the granting or ordering a pizza, eating hot chocolate foods, drinking filter coffee, and he always lead the people from the front of the would be with his troops. He always come front of the troop of the peoples, and he faced the face of the great dangers. He always ahead and face the difficulties. Colonel Vasant was a protector and creator and valued life in every form. This was evident from an incident that occurred in the mountains of Sikkim in the winter of 1993. Colonel Vasant was a protector and creator and valued life in every form. He is always protecting someone and as well as creator also. He also changed as per the situation, and he motivated himself. He was motivating the other peoples. He know the how to behave during the situation. He mold himself as per the situation. This was evident from an incident that occurred in the mountain of Sikkim in winter of 1993. In 1993, there was an incident happened, and here described his wife. This during a routine patrol. Patrol means here group of people who rounding for observation, and that group of people patrol was moving towards or observing the area. Vasant and his team spotted some movement in the undergrowth below a cliff. They made their way carefully to edge of the cliff. Vasant and his team was they know the where is the spot. Some moments they know underground. So they were always careful, only to discover that it was when they were searching. So what is the moment there? After searching, they found it was a deer caught in hunter's snare. Snare means net. They finally saw the deer was caught in hunter's net. None of the soldiers were ready to go down. Nobody going down to rescue the life of deer. The steep slope to rescue the deer. Because of steep slope there, so nobody can rescue the deer. But Vasant could not just walk away. But Vasant could not think about his life, just he walk more toward the more move towards the deer, and neither would he force his men to do what he himself was not prepared to do so. He was not forcing any team, any member of his team. He made his way down the precarious slope. Precarious means here dangerous. Dangerous slope was there, risking his life to set the animal free, and he is taking risk of his life and make free the animal. It was a moment of great satisfaction to him, and it was a really great moment for him, and he gets satisfaction after rescue the life of deer safely. In 1997, Colonel Vasant was posted in Kashmir. He had read the history of Kashmir as a child. When he was child, when Colonel Vasant was posted in Kashmir 1997, at that time he remembered, he read the story about Kashmir, history of the Kashmir when he was child, but was still not prepared for the conflicting emotion that hit him. Means at that time he was, what is the conflict in his mind when he was child? He was not prepared. That was, he was getting disturbed, and it was hitting him when he saw the situation firsthand, and when he saw the situation as a real. In a letter to his family, he described a typical counterinsurgency operation. Counterinsurgency operation he mentioned, and he wrote the letter to his family.